Hello everyone, I'm back with my another video where I ask you a question on tension on the string and you will tell me that if you solve it less than 30 seconds or not. So let's get started. First we read the question carefully and then solve it. Three blocks of mass m1, m2 and m3 are connected by massless string as shown on a frictionless table. That is 10 kg, 6 kg and 4 kg are connected on the frictionless table. They are pulled with a force T3 is equal to 40 Newton. The force and the tension is the T3. If M1 is equal to 10 kg, M2 is equal to 6 kg and M3 is equal to 4 kg, the tension T2 will be. That is the diagram and these are the options. First we draw the FBD of 4 kg because we want to know the T2. 4 kg. The smooth surface frictionless and this is T2, T3 and M3A. So because of that T2 is equal to T3 minus M3A. Because we know the value of T3 that is 40 Newton, the value of M3 4 kg, but we don't know the value of A. So first we find the acceleration. A is equal to F upon sum of all masses. I already told this trick that how to find acceleration. A is equal to F upon sum of all mass is equal to F is 40 Newton and the masses are 10 plus 6 plus 4, so 40 upon 20 is equal to 2 meter per second square. So T2 is equal to T3 minus 4 into 2. The value of T3 is 40 minus 4 to the 8, that is 32. T2 is equal to 32 Newton. The unit of tension is Newton. So the value of T2 is 32 Newton. The D option is correct. So do you know that the tension is always away from the object? There is T3 tension which is away from the object and on this side T2 tension which is away from the object. Please always take in mind that the tension is always away from the block or object and your question will never be wrong. I hope you understand the whole trick and you know how to solve the tension problems. If you like this video, so watch my another video and please subscribe my channel. I'm come with another new topic in my next video. So till then, thank you.